Hi, Thomas here. I'm going to say a few words about the workshop I'll be hosting at PHP Serbia on May 24th. The workshop is Symfony as a software engineer, hexagonal architecture, and interoperability. If you've never used Symfony before, that won't be a problem because we're just going to use a basic Symfony project straight out of the documentation. The aim of this workshop is to understand how to organize a project in ways that will help you long term. If you're looking at any PHP framework nowadays, you will see that documentation is pointing you towards rapid application development solutions. Long term, these solutions won't be interoperable with other solutions, because it's really tied to the framework itself. So if you've ever had experiences with Symfony 1, Zen Framework 1, you've seen how things go. And when you want to move out of the framework because it's not supported anymore, for instance, you will see that you'll get the worst trouble ever because your code, your business logic is deeply tied with the framework itself. In this workshop, we're going to use a default Symfony project and rewrite some of the code to isolate the business logic. In order to do that, we're looking at design patterns, many different code architecture patterns, and we're going to look at mainly two aspects. The first one is how can we make it framework agnostic as much as possible. So how can we introduce interfaces to make it easier to switch from a framework to another, from library to another, and so on. The second aspect we'll try to investigate is how to interact with these libraries in ways that makes your code very extendable. So one thing we could do is dive into DDD, but DDD is way wider than the technical aspect of it. What we're going to do instead is look at hexagonal architecture, how we can architecture our code on a technical aspect. If you're interested, meet me at PHP Serbia on May 24th. You can get your tickets online on 2019.phpserbia.rs, and hopefully I'll see you there. Bye!